Good morning, all. My name is Deepak Sharma, and I'm a student of J3's Institute. I have been here for a few months, and today I will talk about certain things that will help you also. I have been here almost 2 years, and since these 2 years, I have learned certain things which are really very much helpful for me, and I feel to be blessed to be the part of this institute. Now, few things I'll tell you from my experience. At first, to learn to speak English, how much this is important. What is the importance to learn to speak in English? What is the necessity of this? And what are certain places where it is required a lot? Now, I have been here for many years, so I have learned certain things. And earlier, the thing that I used to believe, and now I find that many of the junior students, many of the junior boys and girls, many of the freshers, many of my friends, many of my close people, they do also believe. Earlier, I used to believe that English is very hard language. It is very tough to speak in English. It is very uncomfortable. It is very harder. It is impossible. I used to feel all these things. I used to feel very tough that English cannot be spoken by me. I cannot speak English. I can only write English. I had that thought in my mind. Now, keeping in that thought, how it became easier for me, how it became possible for me to speak in English, how it became free and very comfortable for me to speak in English. The first thing that I followed very much, and I feel that if you also try to think that, try to understand that, you will also be able to speak more comfortably and more easily. So the first thing, as I told you that I was feeling it very harder, very tough, and I am not exceptions. There are many. So if you also feel the same thing, it is hard, it is tougher. First thing that I did, I tried by myself. When I started speaking English first time before many unknown people, I was very much worried. I was nervous. I was getting many different kind of thoughts that how I will speak, whether they will laugh at me, my sentences are correct or not, it is grammatically correct or not, the words, everything is getting rules by rules or not. So all these things were there in my mind. That is why I could not speak at first very easily. Later I understood that if you keep all these things in your mind that I have to make all the sentence very clear, I have to speak flawless English without making any error, I have to speak in such a way that nobody will laugh at me. If you keep all these things, or if you keep fear that I will not speak, people will laugh at me, if you think all these things, you are never gonna speak, because the field is completely new for you. You are a completely new player, you don't know anything, and at the time if you keep so many thoughts in your mind, if you make your mind so much locked already, how would you learn something new? How would you go for one new step? So the first thing I felt and I believed is, without bothering about any other's opinion, without bothering the sentence is grammatically correct or not, without bothering about the pronunciation is right or not, without bothering about the constructions are good or not, I just started speaking. Now, when I started speaking, at the first, I remember many days I made many mistakes, terrible mistakes, very simple mistakes. I myself laugh when I think about all these things. I myself laugh very much. At that moment, I had a diary when I used to keep everything right down. Now, when I read the diary, I laugh too much because there are some very silly errors. But today, I am able to observe that. Why? Because yesterday I had tried that. I had tried to learn. I had the dedication. I had that willpower to speak without bothering about anything. That is the first thing that must be done in any field. And this is something I have learned from the spoken English field, that wherever you are, the first thing that you need to do is try without getting worried about any other thing. If you want to switch your career, if you want to do something in your lives, if you want to take any risk, whatever, the creative thought that you have in your mind, the stories that you have to speak, the blogs that you want to write down, without bothering anything, just go ahead, just do it. Second thing, that is very important to learn to speak, to communicate with anyone, is find a company, find a friend with whom you can speak. Now I have told you how to speak it freely without bothering about anything. Now the second most important thing, find one person with whom you can feel comfortable, with whom you can speak. If you don't go to any institute, if you don't have any teacher, completely fine. But if you find one person, one friend with whom you can speak well, you can take a story, you can take any topic which you both can discuss. And even after, if you make many mistakes, if the person does not laugh at you, if the person is encouraging, if the person is supportive, if the person gives you motivation to make the mistake and to learn it again, then it becomes more simple to learn anything, not only a language. So to communicate with anyone, to make your communication skill very easier and smooth, you must try to find out a company, a friend. And even if you are not having any friend, not having any company, people are not following with you, people are not listening to you, still don't lose your hope. Now social media, internet has made many things easier. Still, to make your vocabulary strong, to make your interest grow up, you can follow YouTube channels, you can follow news channels. If you like news, politics, you can follow. There are many news channels who speak English undoubtedly very well. There are many, if you are not interested in news, if you are interested in motivational things or romantic things, you can follow motivational movies, motivational short movies, short romantic movies, uh, short romantic videos. Now you will get to know not only just how to construct sentences, how to speak sentences without having any grammatical error, but still you will learn to speak maintaining a good body posture, maintaining a good body language, and how confidently they are speaking. That is something is more important. And the last thing that I feel is not less important, it is last but not least, that make certain articles, make certain your own notes. Like what happens when we speak to someone, certain times we get confused, but when we are alone, at the time it becomes very easier for us to write down many things. It becomes very easier for us to think when you are alone in the room. So when you are alone, think about certain experiences of your life, try to write it down in the diary like I used to do. Make many points, make many situations, scenarios, make many topics where you can write all these things as much as you can, and keep practicing all these things until or unless you achieve a good position where you can, without having any kind of confusion, without having any kind of worried, you can speak English without having any kind of hesitation, shyness, nervousness, without having anything. And try to break all the barriers that you are keeping in your mind. That's something, that reason why that does not let you speak. Before speaking fluent English, before making this your own goal, try to make a goal that I will speak good in any language. Even if your mother tongue is Bengali, promise yourself that I will speak Bengali in very comfortable way and very listening way, where people will listen my words very easily. My words will be very smoother, audible. So this is not that I have felt that it is not that English is just about words and some grammar rules. It's not about that. It is the own barriers having in the mind that I can't speak, people will laugh, I am not that much smarter, I am not that confident. At first try to break this barrier by doing certain things, by exploring certain things in yourself. Now once you become easier and comfortable to speak in your language without having any kind of hesitation, nervousness, shyness, to speak, to give comments, to understand yourself well, then learning English language will just become cup of tea. That is something I have observed, I have experienced myself, and I felt that. I hope you have found this video very much encouraging, motivating, and informative. Thank you very much.